this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your GTA 5 online account on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the platform where you are playing GTA Online, you can essentially reset your account or reset a specific character. So even though I'm going to be primarily focusing on PC on this video, the same steps can be done on a PlayStation or Xbox console. So follow along regardless of the platform that you are using. To start, go into the online settings. So pause the game at any point, go to the online category, and in here, the only relevant option to reset is going to be swap character. You can browse through other options, but you will not find any relevant things related to resetting your full account. Even here, you will notice that there is no mention of resetting. The only option that you will see is delete. So the actual answer to the question and title of this video is that as of today, Rockstar does not give players the option to fully reset an account with the single click of a button. What you will have to do is find a character, delete that character, so you press the delete button or any other button here, and then you create a new one. So it is essentially a two-step process, but it gives you the same outcome. You will be deleting your characters and starting fresh. If you think that you are going to regret deleting a character, then you can just skip to the second step and just create a new one. Either way, you will be able to play the game with a fresh character with no money and so on. So all that you have to do is find the delete option under the swap character menu, delete them from here if you would like to, and then create new ones. Besides this, you would have to create a new social club account. If you don't mind going through all of the trouble of creating a new social club account, it is also a viable option. You create a new account altogether and you start playing as if it was brand new. But like I said before, because Rockstar doesn't have a reset account button on the GTA Online settings, you have to choose one of these two options here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.